Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best combination washer-dryer is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving appliances you can bring into your home, especially if you live in a smaller apartment or a dorm room where every square inch counts. These all-in-one units are designed to wash and dry your clothes in a single drum, eliminating the need for two separate machines and simplifying your laundry routine significantly. Imagine the convenience of loading your dirty clothes and coming back to find them clean, dry, and ready to be put away, all without transferring them between appliances. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU, Foot Portable Washer BPWM09W. Introducing a compact and convenient washing solution designed for your home or apartment. It offers multiple wash cycles to suit all your fabric needs. This machine is ideal for smaller households, handling loads up to 6.6 pounds. It efficiently washes using cold water settings with adjustable water levels. Inside, you'll find a robust stainless steel tub that resists rust and corrosion. The transparent lid allows you to easily monitor your laundry's progress. Safety is paramount with features like auto unbalance detection for optimal performance. It also includes auto shutoff and child lock protection for peace of mind. Designed for ultimate portability, it connects and disconnects with ease. Roller wheels and side handles make moving it a breeze, perfect for saving space. What we like? This one is perfect for small apartments or dorms where space is limited. If you need a simple, no-fuss machine for lighter loads and prefer to wash in cold water, this is a great choice. Its compact size and easy portability make it ideal for those who need to move it around. What people say? The washer and dryer combo is a great space saver, perfect for small apartments. It has a variety of wash and dry cycles, including a quick wash option that is very convenient. The steam function helps to reduce wrinkles and freshen clothes without a full wash. Number 4. Giantex Portable Full Automatic Washer and Dryer Combo. Introducing a compact laundry solution designed for modern living. This portable washer frees up your hands, allowing you to focus on other tasks while it efficiently handles your laundry needs. Tailor your laundry experience with multiple wash programs and adjustable water levels. Easily select the perfect settings for different fabrics and load sizes, ensuring optimal cleaning every time. Don't let its compact size fool you. This machine boasts a generous capacity, capable of handling up to 8 pounds of laundry in its efficient honeycomb-shaped tub. Featuring a built-in pump and drainage tube, it effortlessly removes dirty water. This makes it an ideal choice for apartments and dorms, simplifying your laundry routine. Enjoy a truly hands-free laundry experience. With straightforward operation and no installation required, it brings unparalleled convenience to your daily life. We stand by our product's quality. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like? If you're looking for a truly hands-off laundry experience in a small living space, this is the one. Its full automatic system means you can set it and forget it. It's ideal for apartments, RVs, or dorms where convenience and saving time are key. What people say? The washer and dryer combo is a great space saver for small apartments. It has a variety of wash and dry cycles to choose from, which is very convenient. The steam function helps to reduce wrinkles and refresh clothes without a full wash. Number 3. VCJ Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. Introducing the VCJ Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine, your solution for clean laundry anywhere. It offers a generous 28 pounds capacity, perfect for all your washing needs. Featuring a twin tub design, you can wash up to 18 pounds while spinning 10 pounds simultaneously. This dual function saves you precious time and effort. Forget drainage worries with its built-in pump and an upgraded 4.3-foot hose. You can easily drain water to higher or more convenient locations. Control your wash and spin cycles with timers up to 15 and 5 minutes respectively. Its compact, no installation design makes it ideal for apartments, RVs, and dorms. Just add clothes, water, set the timer, and press start. Enjoy fresh, clean laundry without the hassle. Its powerful motor ensures efficient washing. The transparent window lets you monitor the washing and spinning process. It's designed for low water consumption, freeing your hands for other tasks. What we like? For those who want to tackle larger loads or wash and spin simultaneously, this twin tub model is a game changer. If you have a lot of laundry or want to significantly cut down your washing time, this is the perfect solution for apartments or RVs. What people say. The washer and dryer combo is a great space saver and works efficiently for small loads. I love the steam function. It really helps to reduce wrinkles and freshen up clothes without a full wash. The drying cycle is surprisingly fast and effective, even for thicker items. Number 2. Nictemaw 17.8 pounds portable washing machine. Introducing a versatile washer and dryer combo designed for your convenience. It features a full automatic system with a built-in drain pump, allowing you to wash and spin dry your clothes separately or together. Easily set your desired program and let it handle the rest. Take full control with our multifunction control panel. Choose from 10 wash programs and 8 water levels, all clearly displayed on the LED screen. It also includes convenient features like a child lock and a timer, ensuring a perfect wash every time. Despite its compact and lightweight design, this machine boasts a spacious capacity. Its honeycomb inner tub can handle up to 17.8 pounds of laundry at once. Perfect for homes, apartments, RVs, and dorms, it requires no installation and is easy to operate. Worried about vibrations? Our automatic imbalance adjustment system kicks in to stabilize the load during spins. Plus, the adjustable feet ensure it sits perfectly level on any surface. Save energy and money with its efficient design and multiple water level controls. It also features a 24-hour smart delay function, allowing you to schedule washes at your convenience. Enjoy stable performance and significant energy savings. What we like. If you're seeking an energy-efficient and versatile automatic washer for your home, apartment, or RV, this is an excellent option. It offers a wide range of programs and water levels to cater to various laundry needs, all while helping you save on energy bills. What people say. Cloth is clean and dry fast after. Don't take too much space, which is good for my small apartment. Don't make too much noise and not hard vibrating. It actually works better than the last couple full-size machines I've had, plus the size makes it easy to move wherever I want since I can easily lift it by myself and do not need to struggle or cause damage fitting through doorways. It's really straightforward with instructions on how to use the different programs, so using it was a breeze. It also has an awesome spin function that is quiet enough that I can't even hear it at all, just one room over, unlike my last full size that would shake the whole house. Its surprisingly spacious drum capacity allows me to wash an impressive amount of clothes in a single load, cutting down on laundry time significantly. It uses minimal water for each cycle, making it eco-friendly and perfect for extended stays in nature. The intuitive control panel makes selecting the right wash cycle a breeze, with options to customize settings based on fabric type and soil level. It even has a quick wash function for those times when I need clean clothes in a hurry. Number 1. Kiss Core 29 Universal Stacking Kit. Tired of a cluttered laundry room? This stacking kit is designed to help you install your dryer on top of your washing machine, creating a more organized and tidy living space. Our stacking kit offers a universal fit, accommodating a wide range of washer and dryer sizes from 24 to 29 inches. It's designed to be compatible with most brands, ensuring a secure fit for your appliances. Crafted from high-quality plastic and steel, this stacking kit is built to be sturdy and stable. You can rely on its durability for a long service life, providing a secure platform for your dryer. Setting up your laundry space has never been easier. With no tools required, simply place the kit between your appliances, adjust as needed, and secure with the included ratchet straps for a hassle-free installation. This stacking kit is designed to work seamlessly with a wide array of popular washing machine brands. You can trust it to be a perfect fit for your existing appliances, including Whirlpool, Samsung, LG, and many more. What we like. This product is not a washer or dryer itself, but a crucial accessory for those looking to maximize space. If you own a dryer and a front-load washer and want to stack them to save floor space, this universal stacking kit is a must-have. It's designed for easy installation and fits a wide range of brands. What people say. The adjustable design is great because it works with multiple sizes, and I had no problem setting it up for my 29-inch units. Everything fits snugly, and the ratchet strap provides extra stability so I don't have to worry about movement or shifting while the machines are running. One feature I really like is the pull-out drying rack. It's a smart addition and comes in handy for laying out smaller items that I don't want to put in the dryer. The rack slides in and out smoothly and tucks away neatly when not in use, so it doesn't take up any extra space. This kit works exactly as advertised. It's adjustable to fit many different washer and dryer brands and sizes, making it very versatile. It also freed up some much-needed space in my laundry room, so I'm very happy with the results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.